Welcome to Get to Know Jada Drew from the 252. So I was asked, how do I encourage creative thinking during all of the events or workshops that I put on? So the main thing is to create a space where people feel okay about relaxing and sharing who they are and where they come from. It sounds easy. It's not quite that easy. A few things that I always do is ask people why they are there. Why are you at this event? Why did you decide to come to this training? Why did you decide to come to the forum or the conference? And part of the ask is to ask them in a way that really gets to the soul of their passion and their purpose. Many times I do it by allowing them to listen to music and then creating a picture that paints an image about why they're there, or simply choosing an image that speaks to who they are and where they come from. It's all about bringing in the visual images, visual connections to their past and their experiences, and it is absolutely terrific what comes out of the space. From people not even knowing that they were creative, people not understanding how exactly to get to a goal. And part of getting to a goal is providing the space to just open up your mind and practice reflective thinking, and also just practice doing the things that you love, whether it's playing with your hands, listening to music, or just getting up and about. All those things are present in the trainings and the events and workshops that I put on.